It's 10 o'clock at night, so naturally I decide that we're gonna shave the face. You know that little like peach fuzz, especially like around there? Yeah, we're not doing that, so we're gonna shave it off. My favorite way to shave my face is my Dermaflash. I've used the like hand razors. They're super affordable. They're great, but honestly, I like this one better. I feel like it shaves it better like the first go ahead, and then you don't have to like keep going over it. Overall, I feel like it does a better job. Do you really need this? No, you can absolutely do it with the little razors, but I'm a fan. These are pretty pricey, but I do get them during the like Sephora sale when they have it like 2 times a year. I'll stock up on these. The trick to this is that when you're doing it, you have to like hold your skin taut. You have to like hold your skin. Oh. Anyways, I hope this is charged. You hold your skin tight, and then you have to like angle it at the perfect angle. And you do short downward strokes. Ew.
I tried to be your everything, gave my everything, I sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember.
My favorite part is to get the peach fuzz, like the mustache peach fuzz. I feel like that's the worst part on my face where like there's little hairs. So to just like completely get rid of it, it's the best thing ever, and you won't even notice how much fuzz is on your face until you shave it off. And then the way your makeup is gonna go on, it's the best. And then you ask yourself, why don't I do this more often?
Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go.
The first few times I did this, I got a little bit of hair, but not that much, and it was because I didn't do it at the right angle. So it's technically a 45-degree angle, but honestly, like, it's like that to your face. And just play around with it. I mean, don't get too crazy with it, but you'll notice when it's removing the peach fuzz from your face.